Yesterday we completed third lesson, no? So today we are starting new lesson. Okay, children. First you have to open your textbooks. You have to observe. Get started. This picture given, no, in our textbook. See, children. So get started. You have to do this work. See here, draw lines to match the pictures. Actually, here some things have. You have to matching do. You have to do the matching. Okay, children. First of all, here comb and hairband have. When we are taking the comb, when we are doing the comb after, when we are doing the comb after, we have to wear the hairband. We means small girls only wear the hairbands. Boys not wearing, no, only girls only wear the hairband. So we all our members, we have to doing the comb. Okay, children. So here one already matched. Comb and hairband. So first here see our lesson name clean, fit and healthy. We have to always keep ourselves clean and we have to do the exercise. We have to eat healthy food, means it keeps us fit, and we always be happy, and we have to take good food, means we are staying healthy. Okay, children. So this is the matching. Okay, next here, next one toothpaste given, no, next shoes, next towel, next socks. What is this? This is the soap. Next here hairband. What is this? This is the brush. Okay, children, do you understand? So you have to match this. Okay, children. Second one toothbrush. Socks matching, no, na. Soap also not matching. Here toothbrush have. So toothbrush and toothpaste, you have to match it. Toothpaste and toothbrush, you have to keep this line. Okay, children, match this. Next shoes. So here see socks already have. When you are coming to the school, means you have to wear the socks. Afterwards you have to wear the shoe. Okay, children, this matching. You have to keep this line. Okay, children, next towel. So after taking towel, after taking bath, you have to use the towel. When you are taking bath, means you have to use the soap and water, no. After you are completing your bath, you have to use the towel to wipe your germs. Okay, children, this matching. Okay. So today our lesson, new lesson, clean, okay, fit and healthy. Fourth lesson, clean, fit and healthy. Fit and healthy. Okay, children, clean, fit and healthy. Okay, to stay healthy, we have to keep ourselves clean and fit. Okay, children, we have to always keep our body clean and we have to do exercise. So it keeps us our body fit, and we are staying healthy, means we are looking so fit. So first of all, we have to improve our good habits. We have to use some cleaning habits, keeping fit. Okay, children, first keeping clean. First topic, keeping clean. Keeping clean. So first we have to stay healthy, to keep ourselves clean and fit. So keeping clean, how like we are keeping clean ourselves? First of all, early morning, you are waking early morning in the 5 o'clock or 6 o'clock as you wish. After you wake up, means you have to do your needs. Afterwards you have to do your brushing, no. So you have to take neat toothbrush. The brush also important. Brush brushes nice hair, means our teeth will help that brush keeping clean. Okay, you have to brush your teeth nicely, perfectly, down, up, inside. A total brush you have to keep very clean. You have to brush neatly, cleanly. Okay, children. Okay, use nice toothpaste. Nowadays some advertisements also have, no, in your paste salt have, like that the salt toothpaste we are using, means it helps us our teeth also becoming bright, looking white color. So we have to use perfect toothpaste also. also. Okay children, we have to brush twice in a day. Brush our teeth. Brush our teeth twice in a day. Our teeth twice in a day. Twice in a day. Early morning we all are brush our teeth, as well as before going to bed we have to must brush our teeth. Before going to bed, after we are completing the dinner means when we are going to the bed means we have to once again brush our teeth. After we are going to bed means our teeth becoming very fresh. So next we have to always clean ourselves. When we are completing our bath, we have to take a bath, no? So with soap, we have to select the perfect soap. It cleans our dust in our body. Morning we are taking bath means morning to evening we are doing so many works, no? Evening also we get a sweat. So as possible as morning and evening we have to take the bath. We have to take soap and water. When we are doing bath means we have to use soap and water. So after completing our bath we have to use perfect towels. So wipe ourselves with a clean towel. Some members using one towel only 2-3 days continuously. The towel becomes very dirty, no? So you have to wash your towels daily. Okay children, you have to use special separate towel. In your home 4 members have means you have to keep maintain one members keep one towel. Okay children, use separated towel yourself only. That also you have to keep clean. Okay children, so take bath, clean. Take bath with soap. Bath with soap and water. Take bath with soap and water. And use clean towel. Okay, use clean towel. Clean towel. Okay, children. Next. So when we are going outside means we are playing sometimes outside. Suddenly your mother calling, come here beta, I have to take your lunch means suddenly you are coming and eating like that only, no? No, don't do like that. You have to must before and after eating you have to wash your hands. Okay children, before and after eating. Before and after eating. After eating you must wash your hands. Wash your hands. Okay children, before and after eating you have to wash your hands with the soap or any hand wash. Okay, no problem. But you have to keep yourselves clean. Okay children, next you have to comb your hair neatly. And morning you are taking bath, after evening you have to wash your face. Okay children, compulsory. If you are not taking the bath means you have to must wash your face with soap evening. Okay, next you have to maintain this clean habits means you are getting healthy. Okay, you are getting healthy. These all are keeping clean habits. Okay children, understand? So you must maintain the good habits. Next, keeping fit. Keeping fit. Keeping fit. When we are getting fit means we are looking very smart. So we have to compulsory do the exercise. When we are entered the school means before prayer only in our school some easy exercise doing, no? So like that exercise doing, and next bending, stretching. Okay, some different small exercises you have to do every day. You have to do the exercise. Exercise keeps us fit and strong. So we are looking very healthy, very smart also. Daily you have to do the exercise every day. Exercise is the very important. Exercise. So daily you have to do the exercise. Only some exercises like doing like this, no? Some bending, stretching, like that. Different types of exercises have. Even though walking, running, playing, that is also one type of exercises. Walking, running. Okay, children. Some members playing. That is also one kind of exercise. As possible as you have to do some exercises. Some members daily morning walk, evening walk, they are going. Walking means slowly they are walking. Jogging means slowly they are running. Running means fastly running. So some small kids only running. No, jogging means slowly running means that is called jogging. Next, playing. Small kids outside playing coco, kabaddi. Some different play. Some different they are playing different games, sports, they are playing outside. That is also one kind of exercise. Okay, children, exercise keeps us fit. So as well as we have to take healthy food also. This keeps us we have to improve our cleaning habits, and we have to doing the exercises keeps us fit and strong. Okay, children, understand? Keeping clean. Brush our teeth twice a day. Take bath with soap and water. And we have to use the clean towel to ourselves keep clean. Next, before and after eating, wash your hands. It keeps us healthy. Next, keeping fit. Exercise. We have to play outside. Some cycling also, exercise also. Some members using cycling. They are going outside cycling also. It keeps our legs become strong. So exercise is the very important. Keeping fit. Okay, children, understand? Okay, enough today these topics. Just we have to read fourth lesson. That is the homework. Read fourth lesson. Once you have to read this lesson, you have to learn this keeping clean habits and keeping fit. As possible as you have to do some small exercises in your home. Okay, children? Read fourth lesson. Just you have to read it. Okay, thank you.